Hey, I'm Layne with HVAC Technical Academy, and I'm going to show you how to do a how to go through the vacuum system today. So we're going to take our low pressure hose, we're going to unscrew it from our gauge. We're going to take it to our low pressure side over here. We're just going to screw it on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure these are closed. Take our high pressure hose, hook it to our high pressure side. Again, we're gonna make sure these are closed. Make sure it's tight. I don't want nothing leaking. All right, from there we're gonna take our black vacuum hose right here. Unscrew it. We're going to take it over here to our vacuum. Screw it right on there. Make sure that one's tight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through and I'm just going to make sure that all of my connections are tight. I don't want anything leaking. Coming out of here, having no issues. That's all tight. These are tight. It's tight right here. I'm gonna plug this in. My extension cord right here. That's plugged in. Come over here. We're just gonna open this up. That's gonna let our, residual refrigerant just come out. We're gonna just put this on. We're gonna open these up right here on the side of our gauge. Open them all the way up. Open these up down here. You should probably make sure your gauge is on. And then and then you're gonna open up your vacuum knob. It'll start vacuuming. You'll see right here, it'll change in just a minute. It'll start saying microns. We're just gonna wait till that number gets down to 500. Take a minute to get there. Usually goes over me. That's basically it. You sit here, you wait till it goes down to 500 microns. Once it gets there, we're gonna close off, our ball valves. We're gonna close all these knobs off. We're gonna turn our vacuum off, and then from there, we will refill it with refrigerant. That's it. Goodbye. Have a good day.